Come join the swarm. Come join the dance. Emerging in motion and speed. Up, 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 and left, and left. We are merging in motion and speed. Don't stay alone during the night. Fellow starlings are everywhere I see. I feel your flap, pick up the pace. Fellow starlings are everywhere we see. And up again, and right we go. Keep it moving and don't fall behind. This area hides some blazing fast claws, where the hawks are waiting up high. Where shall we go? It's soon getting dark. Where to land and rest for the night? I know a place, an alley of trees. But will it be dark? Will there be enough space? The walkers below move scattered and strange, with no rhythm or sensible goal. If they only knew how vibrant it feels to think and move as a whole. A cloud of birds is washing around the cliffs of the city below, some made out of stone, some reflecting the sky. It's a maze and it's hard to get through. And down again, and left we go. Be careful and don't go too near. So many have failed to find their safe way through these canyons of frozen air. Come join the swarm. Come join the dance. We are landing on trees in the west. We won't stay long. We'll soon move along, further north to our summer nests.